Alright, today we have the Intel NUC. This is the 8th generation i5 unit, and we have a 500 gig M.2 NVMe drive by Samsung, and we have the cores here, 16 gig DDR4 memory module. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can go ahead and start installing this. Your standard packaging. You have your 2 USB ports in the front, the power button, micro SD slot, lock cable hole, and you got additional 2 USB ports in the back, gigabit Ethernet, HDMI port, USB-C, and then your power cord, of course. So we're going to go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to take out the 4 bottom screws. Alright, once you got those 4 screws, pop open the bottom, and then so this thing is nice because you have a couple options. You have this drive slot here where you can add in another SSD or a 2.5 inch drive. Then we have our DIMMs, so we can put our memory sticks in there. So let's go ahead and open up this and put those in there. Make sure you line up your holes. Push in and then down. Alright, so we got our memory installed. Now we're going to install our NVMe drive. So we need to undo that screw there. I love these little Intel NUCs because they're just, within 5 minutes you have a full-blown computer and you're ready to go. It's just so quick to install everything. So we got our 500 gig M.2 drive. Press down. We got our screw. And pre-hold that. Make sure you hold down your drive while you screw it in. There you go. All done. We just need to seal it up. Make sure front is really facing your front there. And we can just go ahead and screw this in. Alright, so we have the computer done and built. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and take out our power adapter, then our Windows 10 USB installation, and we can get this thing all done. Thanks you guys for watching. That's how you can build a Intel NUC with a 500 gig NVMe drive, 16 gigs of memory, in less than 5 minutes.